When Angela Merkel arrived at the EU summit, she hinted at long-term damage to US relations, not just in Germany, but across Europe.
With regards to the National Security Agency, I have made it clear to the American president that spying between friends is unacceptable. I said that in June when he was in Berlin, and in July, and also yesterday in a phone call. It's not about me, it's about the privacy of all German people. Between allies there must be trust, and this trust must now be rebuilt.
Inside, the German Chancellor turned to French President François Hollande, whose country is another NSA target. US ambassadors in Berlin and Paris have already been summoned, but by day's end the two leaders appear to have coordinated an action plan. Merkel says she wants a pact that would put limits on spying between the US and its European allies.
France and Germany submitted a proposal to the other member states. We'll see to it that by the end of the year we come to an understanding of the cooperation of the services between the United States, Germany and France, so that we have a framework for how our intelligence services work together. Germany and France worked closely on this, and other member states will join in on this at a later stage.
A lot's at stake here. The US and the European Union are meant to start negotiations to create the biggest free trade zone in the world. The President of the European Parliament, from Germany's opposition party, is calling for a suspension of those talks. The gravity of the situation is not lost on Washington.
We are not going to comment publicly on every specified alleged intelligence activity, and as a matter of policy we have made clear that the United States gathers foreign intelligence of the type gathered by all nations.
Western governments always knew the US was watching its citizens, but the extent of the operation revealed by whistleblower Edward Snowden has shocked and angered politicians. Washington will have to move swiftly to regain trust in Europe. Azhar Sukri, Al Jazeera.